How to find wallet address on Paxful. Now it is actually quite simple to find wallet address on Paxful. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to open up your browser. Once you open your browser, go to paxful.com or you can also use the app. The process is pretty much the same. Once done, just go to the wallet option from the top of the navigation menu and then you can simply navigate to the address tab that says use your address to receive crypto. Select that. First of all, you have to select which wallet address you want. If you want a Bitcoin wallet address, you got to select Bitcoin here, and a Bitcoin wallet address will appear here once you've. Now, you'll only be able to generate it once you have some type of crypto or you want to receive some type of crypto. Similarly, if you want a USDT wallet address, you want to select USDT and you'll find your USDT wallet address right here. And I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you and see you soon in the next video.